categories for hoodies is working. Now it's showing with hoodies categories. Hello everyone, I am Asandujaman, freelance web developer working in Fiverr as a level 2 seller since 2021. So in this video, I will show you how you can add product filters on your WordPress Divi website. Actually, the website, when you will use Divi theme, then you can use this plugin. This plugin is working 100% with the Divi theme. So let's start. So here is our page. This website is made by Divi theme. So this is the shop page. Already I created template for the shop page. As you can see right now, the shop page product has with the WordPress default filters, default sorting filters. So we will continue our add our product filters on this page. So as you know, for Divi theme, you know you have to work with the theme builder to build the shop templates. So I already created the templates for the shop page here. So first of all, you have to install the plugins. So let's see. So let's go to the plugins to add new plugins. So the plugins is Themify. So normally we will just search about Themify. So there you will see lots of plugin about Themify. So this plugin we will use Themify WooCommerce product filter. So just install now. So the plugins are installing. After the install, I will activate the plugin. Hit the button for activate the plugin. So the plugins is successfully installed and activated. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to create your filters with this plugin. So I want to create the filters with categories and price. So here you have to go product filters. So this is the product filters already I was created. So I just normally delete it. So here you have to click add new. So you have to name the filter for the overall filter. Here will be your all of filters. So there I will write product filters. Product filters. So the layout will be vertical and do not show field it empty. Yeah. Then we can hear everything will be okay. So for after all scroll down, you will see here a lots of filters options are available there, like brands, category, in stock, on sale, price, product shipping classes, product title, SKU, submit button, tags. So I want categories and price. So I have to drag categories to down here. So we have to write a name for the category. So I like to here filter by categories. Then show product counts. If you want to show product counts on with these filters, then you can check mark here. Otherwise, you can remove it. So uh, here display as, you can select lots of options like checkbox, links, radio drop down. So I want checkbox, and the I want horizontal layout, because of then we in the tab person or mobile responsive, then we will see our categories horizontally. So that's why I want here the layout horizontal. Just you have to add this, then you can add price. So here you can also write filter by price. So there is slider. Also you can select range. So automatically here selected as slider. So I gonna use sliders. So you can also write your step here. So it is by default one. So I'm gonna use that. So just I have to select here save. Okay. So our filters, overall filters is saved here. So cross here, then you will see here a shortcut. So you have to copy the shortcut, then you have to add this shortcut to your shop page. So I built the template, shop template in the Divi theme builder. So I have to go here, theme builder. So there I already created the template for shop page. So I have to go the custom body templates and edit here. So our shop page template is loading. So after the templates loaded here, there is the layout, the product section. Row is one column. So I would like to have the filters tab here in the left side. So I have to select here the tab column structure. Then I want to select this one left and big one right side. So there is the column selected already. So I have to move, drag this product column here and module here, and there I will add here the filters. So there is no space, that's why there the plus icon was not showing. So there in the plus icon I will add a code module. So after insert the code module, here you have to put your or paste your the codes from the plugin. So I added uh, code here, and I hope now the product filter will add here. Okay. So there is no option to change color everything. So add I would like to add the shortcut with text module. So yeah, I just add a text module, and after removing all default content, here I will add our shortcut. Then I would like to have the font family as Montserrat. Then the color will be this one, and link hover color will be this one. Okay, so this is the default. Then I would like to just simply add some designs in the column, left column, filter column. So I'd like to add some background color in the left column. Then we like to add some shadow padding for to look good. Okay, so this is the filters I have successfully added on the shop page. So here I don't need the space, so I just remove the space, then save. So if you would like to see the tablet view, there you can see we was selected the horizontal layout. That's why here the categories are showing like that horizontally. So that's why I added horizontal layout. So there also added it. Okay, just save, then close the edit shop body layout, then also save here. So if now refresh the page, shop page, then you will see the product filters are added our shop page. So as now see, here the product filters are added here. So here I was added only for filter by categories and filter by price. So if I hit the categories for hoodies, then a little, then their filter is working. Now it's showing with hoodies categories. So they are also pricing range. So these plugins are working with this, with the website, with Divi Theme also. So this is the plugin you can use with your Divi website. If you, I hope this video helps to you. Thank you so much.